Take a deep breath. It calms the mind. Time heals almost everything. Give time. It's okay to let your children see you cry. The most important sex organ is the brain. Believe in miracles. Over-prepare, then go with the flow. Envy is a waste of time. You already have all you need. Cry with someone. It's more healing than crying alone. Your children get only one childhood. Make it memorable. Get outside every day. Miracles are waiting everywhere. Life isn't tied with a bow, but it's still a gift. Save for retirement, starting with your first pay slip. You can get through anything if you stay put in today. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Burn the candles, use the nice sheets, wear the fancy lingerie. Don't save it for a special occasion. Today is special. Life isn't fair, but it's still good. When in doubt, just take the next small step. Pay off your credit cards every month. Get rid of anything that isn't useful, beautiful, or joyful. However good or bad a situation is, it will change. Be eccentric now. Don't wait for old age to wear purple. Growing old beats the alternative dying young. Yield. All that truly matters in the end is that you loved. Don't audit life. Show up and make the most of it now. Make peace with your past, so it won't screw up the present. Life is too short to waste time hating anyone. Whatever doesn't kill you really does make you stronger. A writer writes, if you want to be a writer, write. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, and show up. Your job won't take care of you when you are sick. Your friends will. Stay in touch. The best is yet to come. Don't take yourself so seriously, no one else does. If we all threw our problems in a pile and saw everyone else's, we'd grab ours back. If you don't ask, you don't get. Forgive everyone everything. It's never too late to have a happy childhood, but the second one is up to you and no one else. Life is too short for long pity parties. Get busy living or get busy dying. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. If a relationship has to be secret, you shouldn't be in it. When it comes to going after what you love in life, don't take no for an answer. When it comes to chocolate, resistance is futile. Frame every so-called disaster with these words. In 5 years, will this matter? What other people think of you is none of your business. You don't have to win every argument. Agree to disagree.